This is a 2005 Volkswagen Touareg, a vehicle with safety, comfort, and space. It has a 4.2-liter 8-cylinder engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include memory settings for the seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, a sunroof, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a CD player, leather seats, alloy wheels, a security system, traction control and stability control systems, front and rear reading lights, and cruise control. This Volkswagen has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Carmel Motorsports is located at 3400 East 96th Street in Indianapolis. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.